Hey guys, I'm Ramesh. Today we are going to discuss about the special procurement keys. Okay, I'll explain you in a detailed manner. In our earlier sessions, we have discussed about the template allocation formula setting and how to calculate the standard cost by using the template allocation and costing variant functionalities and how to create the costing variant with the as per the business requirement, guys. If you want to check those concepts, please check in my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please try to subscribe my channel. It will give a big applause to me so I can create more and more videos and I'll upload into my channel. Okay, let me open SAP. Let me open one Excel sheet also to note it down our requirements. Okay, let me tell you about what is meant by special procurement key. For example, I'm producing one product in one. I'm producing one product in plant 1 as well as plant 2. No, not as well as, I'm producing in the plant 1 the same product I'm transferring into plant 2. From there onwards I'll sell to my customers. My customers are retailers. So this is my manufacturing plant and this is my depot plant. Depot means it's only for the selling plant. It's not about the manufacturing plant. Here in the depot I'm not gonna do any ZRIRs, all those things. I'm just selling the things, that's it. And okay, in the manufacturing plant, if I want to calculate standard cost, I have to maintain BOM and routing. Okay, in the BOM we have to maintain, for the BOM we might have to create raw materials, and then we might have to identify how much quantity we are going to use. Okay, and in the routing we have to identify what is the perfect cost center and what is the activity types we are using in the cost centers, and we have to maintain the rates in relation to the cost center and the activity type. And to create the BOM key code is CS01 for chain, CS02, CS03 for the display. Okay, for the routing creation, CS03, CS02, CA03. Okay, you might have instead of routing you might have here template allocation as well. Like I said in my previous videos as well, instead of routing we can use template allocation also to load our indirect expenditures to our standard cost. In the routing we can load around just 5 to 6 activity types, but with the template allocation we can load n activity types. We can use it, guys. Okay, depends upon your business requirement. You can choose whether you want to go for the routing or whether you want to go for the template allocation. I prefer template allocation is the best solution, but template allocation is a bit tricky concept, so most of the companies are using only the routing concept. So depends upon your business requirement. You have to choose it either routing or template allocation. If you want to check the template allocation, you can check in my first 2 videos, guys. Okay, and let's jump into here special procurement key, guys. Here we have created BOMs and routing. Okay, here I'm going to calculate standard costing by using CK11N and CK24. Okay, the same, but in the plant 2 I don't want to do plant 2 is not manufacturing plant, so I'm not having any BOM. no BOM, no routing. And one more thing, this BOM and routing is at the plant level. Okay, plant level. That means if you while creating BOM, you have to mention one plant. Okay, that's BOM is belongs to only that plant. It's not applicable to the other plants, even though both are in the same company code. Okay, so I have maintained BOM and routings in the plant 1. Okay, I haven't maintained any BOMs in the plant 2 because of plant 2 is not my manufacturing plant. I haven't maintained any routing in the plant 2 because of I'm not doing any manual activities in the plant 2, so I don't want to load any indirect expenditure in the plant 2, so I haven't maintained. Okay, so at the same time, so now at the once we are into the production stage, we have created the production order confirmation and production order in the plant 1, and we have done the confirmation. Let me note down here: production order creation, production order confirmation, and we received the goods. While confirming the production order itself, we can receive the goods through movement type 101. So we have received the finished good. Okay, and we have received the order from the client. Okay, so we have to transfer the stock from plant A to plant B because of plant 1 is just manufacturing plant, plant 2 is selling plant. I couldn't sell from plant 1, so I have to transfer from here to here. So stock transfer from plant 1 to plant 2. Okay, for example, in the plant 1 we have defined standard cost as 100 rupees. Okay, one minute guys. In the plant 1, 100 rupees. Okay, that 100 rupees also it's coming through standard cost by using the BOMs and routings. But in the plant 2 we don't have standard cost yet. Okay, why? Because of we don't have any BOMs and routing, we couldn't calculate standard cost. Okay, standard cost is 0. Let's take it as 0 for the time being guys. I'll let you know what is the correct procedure. This is not the correct one, taking as a 0. Okay, let me explain this case, negative case, and then I'll explain you about the positive case guys. Please bear with me. Right now in the plant 2 there is no cost, so while transferring the stock from plant 1 to plant 2, stock plant B account debit with 0, price difference account debit with 100 rupees to stock plant A, 100 rupees guys, because of plant B is receiving the plant B is receiving the inventory, so inventory account of the plant B has to debit. And if there is any price differences between sending plant and receiving plant, system will automatically capture that variances into price difference account guys. And what this is plant A is plant 1 is sending from the stock plant 1 is sending stock from plant 1 is sending stock to plant 2, so sending plant has to credit plant 1 has to credit, so that's the reason I have wrote it here. This is the accounting entry guys. If I pass the same accounting entry like this, inventory in the plant 2 is always debit. That's not the correct one. Okay, if you open the financial statements, stock in the plant 2 is showing as a 0 value. That's not the correct. With that account we couldn't sell anything. Okay, so it's a wrong attempt guys. So So what we have to do is we have to upload the standard cost even in the plant 2. Even we are not manufacturing, though we have to upload the standard cost in the plant 2 as well. So how to upload the standard cost? How to upload the standard cost? By using the special procurement key, we can release the cost in plant 2, guys. Okay, then what is procurement key? What is special procurement key? How can we configure that? From where we have to assign that in the plant 2? Okay, let me explain that in our SAP. Let's open into SAP, and for this concept I have already created one material, guys. This is our material. Okay, FZ material I have already created in the system, guys. In the plant 4455 I have created, in the plant 44. So 4455 treat as a plant 1, 4456 treat as plant 2. Okay, I have created this finished product in the both the plant, guys. 4455, 4456. Okay, I have created BOM in the plant 1, guys. Let me open that BOM and I'll show you. To check the BOM, CS03 is the T code. CS03 is the T code. Okay, 4455 our plant, and take a drop down here. This is the alternative one. This is my BOM. Okay, I have created these raw materials also, guys. I have created BOM. If you want to know how to create BOM also, I can show you. Okay, CS01 is the BOM creation T code, guys. Just enter the material, okay, whatever is the finished product, and plant, your manufacturing plant, and the BOM usage is always production BOM, guys. Just enter. Here you have to mention your components, guys. Raw material components or the work in progress components. Here we have to take, depends upon your criteria, guys. Okay, for the time being I am using this L as a stock item. Okay, this is the BOM I have created. The same BOM creation I have showed in our earlier videos, guys. If you want, you can check those as well. So I don't want to take much time of yours, so I'm just taking this one. This is the BOM I have created, guys. These are the quantities, and I have created routing also in the plant 1 to check the routing. CA03 is the T code. This is my, if you double click, this is the Pro work center, guys. To create the routing, work center is a mandatory. We have to create it, and this one is our control key, guys. This one also, I think you might have this routing will created by the PP guys, PP consultant. We don't need to worry much about this thing. You just check this is our routing. From here system will capture the cost. Let me capture all those things. This is the routing I have created in our production 1. So now I am going to calculate the standard cost in the plant 1, guys. CK11N. Just enter the finished product and plant, manufacturing plant, and the costing variant of a PPC1. System will pick automatically this cost. Okay, it's around 2500, guys. From first 3 line items are coming from the routing, last 2 line items are coming from the BOM. By checking the item category, you can say those things. E equal to internal activity, see, E equal to internal activity, M equal to material, guys. M equal to material. Okay, this is how system will activate. See, this is how system will calculate. If you want to check about how system is calculating these values, check my previous video, guys. I have covered that in my previous video. Okay, now go back and don't save anything. Okay, we haven't maintained any standard cost even in our manufacturing plant also. Now I'm going to show you how to calculate the standard cost in the depot plant, I mean receiving plant. Okay. Okay, and before calculating, so let me show you. Let me calculate standard cost in the receiving side, I mean depot. 4456 my depot plant, guys. So I'm just calculating. See, system is not calculating anything, it's showing error 0. What we have to do is we have to create one special procurement key, and we have to assign that special procurement key. We have to assign that special procurement key in our material master, guys. I'll show you how to create the special procurement key. Okay, go to the configuration view. Okay, guys, see, this is the IMG path for the creation of the special procurement, guys. Take a screenshot or note it down. Okay, and go inside that, click on the new entries. Okay, what is my depot plant? Depot plant 4456, just special procurement key, guys. It's a text field, just enter any number and give the description, guys. For example, standard costing. Okay, procurement type. Okay, this is manufacturing. Inside manufacturing, I mean we are manufacturing in one of our manufacturing products, so we have to select in-house manufacturing, guys, here. Okay, and special procurement type equal to, it's a stock transfer, producing in other plant. We have to select P, guys. Once we select the P, we have to click on as a BOM component as a direct procurement. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention the plant where we are producing. Okay, we are producing in 4455 plant, guys. So we have to enter this plant here. Okay, once we enter here, system, we can save. Just let me explain you one more time, guys. This is our depot plant, I mean receiving plant. Here you can enter any value for your identification. Here where we are producing, how we are producing that. These cases might be external procurement, some cases it might be in-house producing. In our example, it's in-house producing, and special procurement type equal to producing from the production from the other plant, and you have to mention that plant code here where you are producing. We are producing in our 4455 plant, and we have to select these two options here. Then you can save it, guys. Once you're done with this special procurement key, you have to assign this special procurement key in our in our material master in the receiving plant. This is my material master. I might have opened in another plant. Okay, this is my receivings material, and 4456 is my receiving plant. Okay, just click enter. In the MRP2 view, we can enter special procurement key. Just make a note, guys, this is the field, special procurement field. Okay, you can enter here, or else we can enter here as well, guys. Special procurement key. System SAP has given two functionalities. This MRP1, MRP2, MRP3 views are for the PP, guys. Okay, these fields MRP views comes under PP guy. These costing 1 and costing 2 will be taken care by the CO, guys. you can enter here or MRP views. If the MRP views are empty, you can use that. If PP guy using those fields for any PP purposes, that time we can use here. Okay, for the time being I'm not using this field for any PP purpose, so I'm choosing this ones, guys. So save it. Let's check standard cost right now with the receiving plan. 4456 is my receiving plan, guys. Let's enter. See, system is picking 2575. Earlier, I mean before creating the special procurement and assigning to the article master, we have executed once. Okay, that time it was showing 0 value, 0 everywhere, but now it is picking 2575. How it is picking? We haven't assigned any BOM in the receiving plan, I mean 4456. We haven't created any routing. How it is creating? It's creating because of the special procurement key. In the special procurement key, click on the quantity structure, guys. Here we can see the special procurement key related information. In the special procurement key, we have assigned the plant 4455. From where it has to look, we have guided the system to look into the 4455. Okay, so system will look into the 4455 and will check the BOMs in the 4455, guys. Okay, these are the things. Okay, let me execute and let me show you even in the 4455 set as well. See how it is picking 2575. The same is capturing here as well, 2475. Okay, if you want to add any other cost in the receiving plant, we have to add it through other ways. I mean, we have to use additive cost, or we have to use other condition types in the pricing procedures. Those additive cost component and all I'll cover in my next session, guys. Additive cost. Okay, in our today's session we have covered about the special procurement, guys. Okay, 2575 is system is capturing automatically. You don't need to maintain any BOM and you don't need to maintain any routing, guys. Okay, once you calculated SQL, just save this thing and go to CK 24 4455 is my plan. Sorry, company code 4456 is my site, I mean receiving site, guys. So initially we have to release the marking, guys. That's the reason to release the marking we have to click on this thing and we have to go into our company code and we have to assign our costing variant. Okay, that's I have covered in my previous sessions, guys. So let's execute. Here see one material, one cost estimate were updated successfully. Let's release the standard cost, guys. Period 1 is not yet open. That's normal thing. We can open. That's I'll open it, guys. That's another FI, guys. FI guys will take care. That's about the special procurement, guys. This is how we can create the standard cost even in the receiving sites without maintaining any BOMs and routing and the additive cost and the actual valuation split, guys. Okay, if you are having any doubts or something, just let me know, guys. Okay, my mail ID is rameshchinna09@gmail.com. okay, if you have any doubts also, you can send it to my mail ID, guys. I can check on my mails and I'll let you know the result. Okay, and if you like my video, just try to subscribe my channel, guys, so whenever I uploaded the new videos, it will come to you directly, so you can watch it. Okay, thank you, guys, and bye bye for this video.